everyone. This is Julia, the Nomadic Crafter, with my good friend Sean here, who is a Chevy man. Yep. The beauty of this whole deal with buying my new van today is that this gentleman came up and started asking me about the van and was I going to sell it, and I was like, yeah, and he made me an offer right here on the spot as I was looking at the new van. So the beauty of this is that I didn't want the van to go to a junkyard because it's called Abu, by the way, short for abundance. Right. Abundance. He's going to restore it for his family. He's going to get it back to original as much as possible, right?
Yep.
So you're a Chevy man?
I'm a Chevy guy, 100%. Forget 4.
Yeah, and what's the name of your company here?
SoCal Auto Repair Center in Lakeside, California.
Yep. So if you have a Chevy out there, and then look at the 2 old trucks he's got right there. What years are these trucks?
This one is a 68, this one is a 69, and I have a 67 C10, and I have another 69 that is being painted.
All right.
So I'm a Chevy guy.
Yeah. You're the guy I was looking for a while.
I'm the guy.
So
here's the van that I was looking for.
So, okay. So now there's the G20. And, oh boy, hard to let go, but not to Sean. So we're going to go sell the van to Sean right now.
It's going to a good cause.
Right? Yeah. Right, Sean?
Yep.
All right. Thank you so much.
If you're in Lakeside or Southern California, this is the place to be.
That's right.
SoCal Auto Repair Center.
Right. And also we've got the Truck King here who has some good vehicles for you. So come on by. All right, y'all, we're going to go do this. I'm going to buy my new van. Thanks for watching. Bye.